Guys, we are about to break in my new Pit Boss smoker. This is the 850, and I decided to get one of these. I've been wanting one for a while. Finally broke down and decided to get it right now. I'm going to get the stickers all pulled off, and then I'm going to light it and let it run, kind of let it do a burn off. And we're going to be cooking some pulled pork on it. I figure that will be the first thing that we cook on this, since it's the 4th of July, that's going to be pulled pork. Right now I'm going to get these stickers off. That one there seems to be stuck pretty good, and get it ready. And here we are, a nice fresh pork butt. I'm going to get it trimmed up. We're going to get some of this excessive fat off. There's just way too much on it, so we're going to get it trimmed down real good, get it seasoned up, and get it on the smoker. Guys, we have got the smoker set up. I've even got it connected to Wi-Fi. I've got my shoulder, or my shredded I should say, or what's going to be shredded. I have got it seasoned up. I've got the thermometer in, got it on the right side of the grill, and you know, that's just the way the smoke travels. I thought that I'll do it that way. And it is looking good. We are at a perfect 250. I have cooked other shredded before, but it's been a good while. And 250 was my target temperature then, so I thought that I would try that for this particular pellet smoker, because the one that I did then, it was actually a charcoal smoker that I had, but it still turned out great. Figured I'd try it with this. I do like the fact that you can connect this to your Wi-Fi. Yes, it's a lazy man's way of doing some smoking, but it works, you know. But anyways, guys, we're going to keep going. It is a nice day out today. Got hay rolled up here in the fields. Just absolutely nice. You ain't getting me out of the country. Alright guys, let's go out here and check on supper. You can see we're running right around 250. Let's just take a quick peek. You can see it there. We are getting close to wrapping it. It's still got a little bit to go, but I want to get that crust set real good. And let's check our hopper, make sure we got plenty of pellets. You can see we still have plenty for now, so we're just going to let it run. And here it is, guys. Just pulled it off of the smoker. We hit 202 degrees internal temp. Just kind of pulling some of this back. What I'm going to do now, let it rest for an hour or so, or whatever, and then we're going to shred it up. Been working on getting it shredded up. It is absolutely delicious. Altogether, this cook took about 13 hours, and then another hour of just resting it before I started shredding it up. And man, it is delicious. The shredded pork right on the smoker, all that. I'd like to say that Pit Boss made it very simple, and it is absolutely delicious. I've done had one, and this is going to be another one. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and share the video. Leave me a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.